I thought I would start this channel by just doing a little short about explaining why I started this channel. I'm an intuitive artist. What does it mean? That means I work spontaneously from the subconscious. I don't plan too much. I just jump in and work and see what comes up. I thought it would be interesting to share this process for those people who are not familiar with this process. Also, it's good for me as a vehicle for my own art. I believe in new media like this. I can explain what I do and maybe just chat about art and my philosophy about my art and stuff. And maybe some people will find it interesting. So I have to get to like 50 subs before I can do the first stream. I'm still waiting for a few subscribers, then I'll do the first stream. So it'll be mostly live streaming from my studio, what I do, spontaneous, honest, authentic, being real, no drama, no acting. That's what I'm into. So I'm just going to show you my setup quickly, and hopefully still today, maybe later today, if I get a few more subscribers. I did send my link to a few people. I can start the first live stream, and it could be fun. And you're welcome to join anytime. Some streams might be long, might be long, others might be short. It will depend. I'll just do it as it comes along. Okay, let me show you my little setup again, and then I'll see you in the first stream. So I'm all ready to go. I'm doing watercolor here, mixed media, sketch, oil, and got some lights, and we're all ready to go.